Hi, this is Susie. I wanted to show you another pot I just filled. Another container. See, the blue is Grace Ward with Thodora. What names? That's the blue one. And let's turn this over. We got the pink one. Kabori Scarlet. This one will drape down after a while, down the pot. And in the middle we have Snow Surfer Candy Tuft. These are perennials, so they'll all come back next year. And they spread pretty well. And we got the blue one. Another blue one. I put some marigolds in here. I had some of them left over. These are pretty. They're going to get bigger and spread. Put quite a bit in this pot. I like it nice and full. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.